Welcome to Study Loop.
Hello, everyone. I hope all is well. And today I'll be helping you with the 70th problem of the Chapter 18 problem set. So 70 is asking, what is this an example of? So the above example. So if you look at A, it says divergent evolution. So no, not necessarily. So no, it's not going to be divergent evolution. And then it says sympatric evolution. But again, no, just because of the different locations, that's not what sympatric speciation is. And then you have allopatric speciation, which is when there's a barrier for geographically. For example, there's a canyon between the two or a fissured came to be and they couldn't come together anymore. No. So it's C because of the different locations. And then you have D, which says variation. And no, it's not variation. So it is C. So I hope you found this helpful and I hope you have a great